Can I get Samsung TV on my phone? Yes, you can watch Samsung TV Plus, Samsung's free streaming service, on your phone, but availability depends on your device type and region. Samsung TV Plus offers live TV channels and on-demand content, and it is available on Samsung Galaxy phones, tablets, and some non-Samsung devices through a web browser. 1. Using the Samsung TV Plus app on a Samsung phone. If you have a Samsung Galaxy smartphone or tablet, you can download and use the Samsung TV Plus app to watch free live TV and on-demand content. Steps to install and use Samsung TV Plus: open the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Search for Samsung TV Plus. Tap install and wait for the download to complete. Open the app and start watching free TV channels. Note, Samsung TV Plus is pre-installed on most Samsung Galaxy devices running Android 8.0 or later. 2. Watching Samsung TV Plus on a non-Samsung phone. If you don't have a Samsung device, you can still access Samsung TV Plus through a web browser. Steps to watch on a web browser. Open a browser on your iPhone, Android, or tablet. Go to www.samsungtvplus.com. Sign in, optional, and start streaming live TV channels. Note, web access is available in select regions, so check if it works in your country. 3. Casting Samsung TV Plus from your phone to a smart TV. If you want to watch Samsung TV Plus on a bigger screen, you can cast it from your phone. Ensure your phone and smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Samsung TV Plus app or website on your phone. Tap the cast icon for Chromecast, or use Smart View on Samsung devices. Select your TV and the content will play on the screen. 4th, alternative Samsung streaming apps for phones. If you're looking for other Samsung TV related apps, you can also try SmartThings app controls Samsung Smart TVs remotely. Samsung Smart View app mirrors phone content to a Samsung TV. Samsung TV remote apps controls Samsung TV functions from your phone. You can watch Samsung TV Plus on your phone through the Samsung TV Plus app for Samsung devices, or via a web browser for all phones. If you want to watch content on a bigger screen, you can cast it to a TV. Checking your device compatibility ensures a smooth streaming experience.